March 2023, which was term 1 for 2023, the total enrollment was 1,008,871. The total amount disbursed was 9,581,468,671 cents. On the 15th of June 2023, term 2 of 2023, the enrollment was 1,018,809, and the total disbursement was 3.7 billion. On 19th of September 2023, which was term 3 of 2023, the enrollment was 1,018,847, and the disbursement was 1,877,432,522,000. On the 14th of June 2024, which is term, on 3rd of January 2024, term 1 of 2024, the enrollment was 982,688. The total amount disbursed was 15,194,529,753. On 24th of June 2024, that was term 2 of 2024, the enrollment was 1,716,645, and the total amount disbursed was 47,374,541. On 28th of August 2024, that's term 3 of 2024, the enrollment was 1,904,411. The disbursement was 6,109,654,633. For free day secondary school, that is term 3, for the academic year 2023, under the financial year 2022-2023, the budgeted allocation was 63,160,788,241. For that academic year, the allocation was 44,429,121,151. The amount disbursed for that financial year was 61,037,919,069. For 2024, the academic year 2023, the financial year 2023-2024, the budgeted allocation was 63,958,212,645. For the academic year, the allocation was 64,787,591,731. That financial year, the actual disbursed was 62,853,104,675. For 2024 academic year, the 2024-2025 financial year, their budgeted allocation was 59,885,600,000. For that academic year, the allocation was 14,145,824,283, and the amount disbursed was 14,145,824,283. The actual timely disbursements out of that, Mr. Speaker, is as follows. On the 26th of January 2023, which is term 1 of 2023, the total enrollment was 3,690,376. The total disbursement was 16,289,024,433.92 cents. On 12th of June 2023, term 2 of 2023, the enrollment was 3,664,366. The disbursement made was 15,208,401,428.10 cents. On 2nd of January 2024, which is term 1 of 2024, the total enrollment was 3,881,717. The total disbursement was 32,394,641,274. On 24th of June 2024, term 2 of 2024, the total enrollment was 4,043,714. The total disbursement was 18,247,126,174 shillings. On the 20th of August, which is term 3, 4 million in enrollment was 4,179,615. The disbursement was 14,145,824,283. Mr. Speaker, it's to be noted that over the last 5 years, the funds provided to the Ministry of Education have fallen short of the approved rate, leading to underfunding of the schools. The ministry then is compelled to divide the available amount with the number of learners, which has been increasing every year. This results in capitation amounts that are lower than that is approved. To illustrate this, there is a provision under Table 4, and you will see if you go to the approved budget, for example, in 2018-2019, the approved budget was 59,418,512,759. The enrollment for that year was 2,810,655. The requirement in order to meet that enrollment was supposed to be 62,520,209,820, based on the capitation figures of 14,20, 15,000, and 22,000. The deficit, as you can see there, is 3,170,568,934. The rate of disbursement, you can see, comes to 21,140.45 cents instead of the 22,000. In 2019-2020 financial year, the approved budget was 59,419,942,418. The enrollment for that year was 2,948,062. The actual requirement should have been 65,576,691,128. The deficit is 6,156,748,710. The rate disbursed then comes to 20,155.59 cents. The year 2020 to 2021 financial year, the approved budget was 59,421,865,698. The enrollment was 3,396,322. The actual required was 75,547,786,568. The deficit there is 16,125,985,973. The rate disbursed then comes to 17,495 from the 22,000 that is required. The year 2021-2022, the approved budget was 62,421,865,698. The enrollment was 3,587,081. The requirement was supposed to be 79,791,029,764. The deficit is 17,369,456,555. The rate disbursed was 17,401. The year 2022-2023, the approved budget is 64,421,865. The enrollment is 3.6, almost 3.7 million. The requirement was supposed to be at least 82,088,723,000. The deficit is 17,666,873, leading to a rate of disbursement of 17,456. So there has been a consistent deficit from the amount approved against the requirements and against the increment in enrollment of the students that have been increasing, while the budget has not been increasing in tandem with the students. Mr. Speaker, what measures the ministry has taken to ensure timely disbursement? Mr. Speaker, the ministry has taken steps to ensure that there is timely disbursement of the capitation to schools. From the beginning of 2023-2024 financial year, capitation is now disbursed on timely basis on the ratio of 50-30-20. That means for term 1, we do 50%, term 2, we do 30%, and term 3, we do 20%. This is a change from the previous disbursements that were being done quarterly. The ministry requests for funds, and these funds are released immediately they are received. The ministry requests for funds from the Exchequer at least 3 weeks before schools open. Once funds are received from Exchequer, the same are disbursed to schools immediately. There might be some delays that some schools do not receive the money on a timely basis when the Exchequer has delayed, when the capitation disbursements sometimes delay. As a ministry, we consistently follow up with National Treasury to ensure that there is timely provision of the funds. The schools are also required to upload all their learners and bank accounts on the National Education Management Information System, NEMIS. In some cases where the schools do not receive their funds on time, there are situations where there are erroneous information that is uploaded, causing to the rejection of the funds by the banks. School heads are routinely oriented on what is required of them to ensure compliance. I submit.
Honorable Boni, you may now ask your 2 supplementary questions.
Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Minister for this detailed